Hi, it's Mark DeLeese, and I have been creating a quality software called CTA Monster. I want to introduce it to you right now. Get on the early bird list because this thing is going to be launching and flying off the shelf. I've been working on this for months, 6 months, and what CTA Monster is a total comprehensive leading technology lead generation script. It not only will build your list and add it to any autoresponder or webinar registration format, but also will add call to actions with buy buttons and other types of things that you can do. It does exit intent technology. It does welcome gate technology. It also has the ability to put it on any static HTML site or WordPress blog or any type of PHP site. It also has the ability to add Shopify connections. So if you have a Shopify store, you can add it. You can also, we're adding it to Salesforce and on and on and on. What's a really cool feature of this as well, you can connect your lead to any autoresponder service. If your autoresponder is not on this list, no problem. It connects to the API, but no problem. You can also add any autoresponder service to it as well. Also, it has the ability to sync your Facebook and your Twitter leads to any autoresponder service. So if you're putting web forms on your Facebook pages or on your Twitter tweets and you're grabbing email addresses, you can also sync it to any autoresponder as well. So you got your Twitter, your Facebook, your Shopify. We're adding Salesforce and other cool scripts. I just want to show you how easy this is to use. So for example, I'm going to click on campaigns, and there's a number of templates that I've used already and that are included. So I'm going to select all here. So I'm going to go down to, I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. I'm going to come down here and select the template number 1, and I'm going to click on edit. You can see here that as you come down, you can title this any way you want. You can select if it's a pop-up or a full page overlay, or if you want it to be a footer ad on the right or left. So it does footer ads, pop-ups, full page overlays. It has 1-step, 2-step, so forth. You can send leads to a single autoresponder or to multiple autoresponders right here, all at the same time. MailChimp, GetResponse. So you can do multiple lead generation to different lists. Also, it's connected to the API, but no problem. If you don't have the, if you have your own custom autoresponder form code, you can put that right in there. But if you have it, if you have an API, you can put it right in there. And also, it's really cool. You can click on Select List right here. This little button there. It'll load all your lists with your autoresponder servers that you have. You simply select it. Okay. Once you've done that, you can move on to continue and select your template. You go to your custom design, and it's a simple drag and drop custom design. So if I click on this little settings button right there, I can select the text, and it's a live editor. So, leads, if I want to opt-ins, there you go. Get 10 times more opt-ins. So it's a live editor. I can select this little star button there, and I can select which type of text box I want. If I want email only or name, I can edit the name, enter name here. And I can select the colors. Anything that I want to do is manageable right here. From here, I select on content display options, and I want to have it, what type of animation do I want? Do I want to have it bounce or no animation at all, or swing in, or what have you? Where do I want it to redirect to after they subscribe? If you have a Shopify stores, they go inside there. And what type of behavior do I want it to do? So show pop-up when page exit. Do I want to have a pop-up with a time delay? Do I want to have it when it's idle for a little while? When people scroll, the pop-up will happen. Also, I can show the pop-up on a button or on an image or any type of hyperlink or what have you. Simply put in the CSS selector right there. And also, if I want to have it, for example, only every 12 hours or every 1 hour per session, I can do that. Okay. So for example, I'm going to select this one, so it'll just show once every hour to the same user with the same cookie. And from there, I will click on Save Changes. It is saving. Now I'm going to come down below. I'm going to grab this little snippet of code right there. Just one little snippet of code, and you put that in your closing tag right before your closing body tag. Okay, so I'll copy that. Now I'm going to go to my blog. My blog is markdelis.com/blog, and this has a little section where I can put in footer code, and I'm going to put it right in there. Save the changes. Now I'm going to view this blog. I'm going to view the blog. Now I'm going to go to exit. See that? Very, very powerful. And I can change things on the fly right here. So for example, get 10 times more options. It's changed right there. But I can change things on the fly, and this is a total exit gate. Now I'm going to show you how to change it into a welcome gate. I'm going to go to CTA Monster once again. I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to change it to a welcome gate. I'm going to go to display options, and instead of upon exit, I'm going to have it as a time delay. And the delay is only 1 second. So as soon as they land on the page, it's going to show. And I'll save this option. Okay. And once again, you don't have to do the snippet of code all over again. I'm just going to refresh this page, and automatically, after 1 second, it's going to show up. You can see that? So that's a welcome gate. Very, very powerful, and it works like gangbusters. And if I want to turn this into a pop-up, I can simply do that, and or as a footer ad or what have you. So this is Mark Delis signing off. And once again, it has Shopify connections, Facebook leads, Twitter leads, added to any WordPress or static HTML site. It does exit intent. It does welcome gates. It does a whole lot more, and we're going to be adding to this as times roll on. Thank you.